between physical and digital worlds. Section 4. A new era of healthcare. The healthcare industry stands on the verge of a monumental shift, and AI contact lenses are at the forefront of this revolution. These tiny but powerful devices hold the potential to transform how we monitor our health, diagnose diseases, and deliver targeted treatments. Imagine a world where chronic conditions like diabetes and glaucoma can be managed with unprecedented precision and ease. AI contact lenses can continuously monitor vital health indicators such as blood glucose levels and intraocular pressure, providing real-time feedback to both patients and healthcare providers. Early disease detection is another area where AI lenses promise to make a significant impact. By analyzing subtle changes in the eye, these lenses can detect early signs of conditions like cancer and Alzheimer's disease, enabling timely intervention and potentially improving patient outcomes. The implications for preventative healthcare are enormous. Beyond monitoring and detection, AI contact lenses also hold potential for targeted drug delivery. Imagine treating eye infections or delivering medication for glaucoma with unparalleled accuracy and effectiveness, minimizing side effects and improving patient comfort. The future of healthcare is personalized, proactive, and powered by AI. Section 5. The road ahead. Challenges and opportunities. The road to realizing the full potential of AI contact lenses is paved with both exciting opportunities and critical challenges. As with any transformative technology, addressing these challenges responsibly is crucial to ensuring that AI lenses benefit humanity as a whole. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI lenses is privacy. These devices have the potential to collect vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about how that data is stored, accessed, and used. Establishing robust privacy regulations and ethical guidelines will be paramount to fostering trust and ensuring responsible development. Another challenge lies in ensuring equitable access to this transformative technology. AI contact lenses have the potential to exacerbate existing health disparities if they are not made affordable and accessible to all. Bridging the digital divide and promoting equitable access to healthcare innovation is essential for creating a more just and equitable future. Despite these challenges, the future of AI contact lenses remains bright with promise. As research and development accelerate, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. By embracing a future where technology empowers and enhances our lives, we can unlock a future where the possibilities are limitless.